Hello guys, today I'm doing mzengo. Yeah, I'm doing this hard labor job. Mzengo we say here in Kenya, working outside. Yeah, I'm a mzengo man today at Mayugno's house. I'm trying to be good and work together with these fellow boys. I've never done this job for a long time. Yeah, for some ages. Till today, I'm trying. Was doing a good job with my tablet too. I have many clips, but my tablet got spoiled. Don't know. Yeah, it's entered into a drum full of water, so it's spoiled until I get another. Yeah, but my work, I know it's safe. It's in iCloud. Yeah, this is the clip now. I have this short clip here. I'm working, trying to do this job till 5 p.m. or even 7. We see how it goes. Now the fundi I am Kudu is there up there. Yeah, he's trying to fix something. That's why we have stopped doing what we were doing. Yeah, we have taken a pause for a while. Kindly follow me